Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Jonas Vlog. At dito kami ngayon sa park guys. Wow, photogenic photoshoot ngayon guys. Naghintay kami ng cameraman, tapos yung mga reporter na mag-e-interview kay Minnie. Ayan na yung tent nila. Dito kami guys sa park. Ayan, ang linis-linis ng park ngayon. Kaya gusto na niyang umupo dyan, yung prinsesa. Hi, what's your name? How are you? Hi. Ayaw niyong makuha na ng video guys. Tip. Ano? Talagang nakapost naman yan. Oh guys. Ayan na yung kaibigan niya, si Joey. Kaso ayaw ni Joey, ayun si Sugar. Bagong goli at hawk. Higo? Higo? Go with Sugar. Hi Sugar. Go. Go na. Higo. Anong meron kaya dito? Gani? Okay, walk na here. Come on here. Let's go. Ang ganda dito guys. Nakaluto naman na ako ng dinner namin. Nakatapos na rin ako ng mag-live. So, video dahil wala namang data sa labas. Wala nang pera guys. Wala nang pera guys. Oh, but dyan ka. Yung go up. Sit down. Go back. Doesn't want to go. Wait. Ella is standing here first. Wait lang. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-upo dyan na. Sit down na. Sit down. Just sit down. I cover my fruits because everybody pass by, then they pluck. You see, only left 3. The fruits only left 3. Actually, I have 9. So, like the people take. It's okay, no problem. But I want to try how sweet it is, right? And even my saloyot, they pluck already. OMG.